What is DNS, domain name system? See, considering I got a computer and this is like I'm trying to give www.google.com. I got my browser here. I'm giving www.google.com. Once if I press enter, what it will do? It will go and search in the DNS, domain name servers. And this will return the IP address for google.com. So how it will happen? So I got my command prompt here. I'm giving ping www.google.com or co.in. Automatically you'll be getting this is the IP address 74.125.200.94, which is written by the DNS server, and my computer will search for that particular IP address to find the google.com. So the domain system translates the domain name into IP address. That's the nature of DNS. So here is another explanation how the DNS works. The user with web browser requests for a website, and it will search in the DNS server, and this will return the IP address. And automatically a HTTP request to that IP address is sent to the server, and there is a HTTP response coming back. This is how your DNS will work. So let me step down what are the process available in accessing a website. I got a browser where I'm searching for a URL. Automatically it will search for the host files and also the DNS server. The process of converting your URL into IP address is called as a resolver. So that's the nature of DNS, converts your name to IP. And the browser will have that IP and will check for an HTTP request. The browser sends the HTTP GET command to the web server. Automatically the web server will be returning the HTML data stream, which is given to the computer to be shown. That's how your HTML web page will be. So I click it here. These are the steps. Now I got the web page ready. This is your HTML page from Google. So still further digging how this DNS works. You got the local DNS available in your computer at C drive, Windows and temp. Because previous websites, whichever previous websites I open, for example, if I go here, I'll just Google, you are able to see I'm getting a lot of things. Okay, so these are the previous websites I opened. So it will check for the local DNS in your computer. A person is accessing, automatically the browser, it will check whether the previous address is there in the local DNS. And if that is not available, it will check in the ISP DNS, Internet Service Provider DNS. So considering Vodafone or Hutch or someone, they will give the DNS, right? So they will search in that DNS. And still if it is not there, root DNS, which is provided by World Wide Web. It will search here and it will try to fetch the IP address, and your website is open. On the whole, your DNS will be of three type components are there. One is namespace, second one is resolver, and the name server. So this is your namespace and this is your resolver. And to this namespace and resolver, and the final one is like a name servers, which will have the mapping table. So namespace, specification for your structured namespace and data associated with the names. Okay, you are able to see it here. It's gmail.com. So I'll search for Google. You are able to see it's a co.in, which is given by this namespace. Resolvers, client program that remove information from name servers, and name servers will have those information about the website. The name servers will be having for this IP address what is the website. These are the three components of DNS. Okay, further digging, I'm talking about this root DNS, which I shown before. This root DNS. This root DNS is subdivided into multiple areas. Let's see. So considering I got a website which is not available in local DNS and ISP DNS, automatically it will go to the root server, which is given by the World Wide Web. If it is not available, they will search for these top level domain servers. It will search for this Google. If it is not available, search for this co.in, top level domain servers. Still, it's not there. It will go and search in authoritative DNS servers. You got multiple authoritative DNS servers. Still, if you couldn't find any of these things, you'll be getting the error as the page is not available. So considering I'm searching for .com, this is the one. So the process is like, once if I give this website, it will go and search in the local DNS, no. Root server, no. Top level servers.com, no. It will search for the authority server, no. It will search for an authority server, no. Automatically I'm getting an error, there is no host by that name, not found. Okay, this is the process of your DNS. Apart from this, like this is our website, wikidigi.com. You're able to see the wikidigi.com. So it's an online technological portal, and you can see lots and lots of things. Online technical portal with a lot of information in it. And apart from this, if you click projects, you are able to download free projects available, which you can use it for making your projects. And our YouTube channel is Wikidigi Code. If you search for Wikidigi Code in our YouTube channel, you are able to see lots and lots of projects and technical information here. Apart from this, just click subscribe button, and you can click this bell symbol to get regular information from us. And thanks for watching, and this is Venkat from Wikidigi. Thank you.